Hey, hello everybody. Today's video is on the couch because I want to show you something which I do not want the green screen to mess with. Another Star Wars Girls Cosplay Calendar 2022. Let's unbox. One little thing before we get started. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and leave me a comment down below. Thanks very much. I had to take a second take because the first time I kind of dropped my cigarette for some unspecified reason and nearly set myself on fire. Which is really cool about this packaging is that they went, as usual when Anna does something, a lot of thought into the packaging. So there were multiple layers of cardboard which are supposed to protect the merchandise from getting bent. Then there is a way with a nice zip opening which makes it not needed to take a knife. You can just easily zip open the envelope. That's really thoughtful. Then another protection layer she put in there. It's really awesome. She has this bubble wrap envelope here which protected it during the rather loveless transportation process. I already was worried because there were dents on the corners of the envelope, but the bubble wrap really saved the shipment. That's really cool, and I thought about everything. Then it's really cool that I got those full-sized prints, which might have been or might not have been the reason why I dropped my cigarette in the first take. Which was really lovely is this thank you sticker everywhere, but maybe that's from the, well, no, that's from her. Thank you for supporting my small business. So that's from you, Anna. It's lovely, lovely. And let's have a look at the prints. So got here Anna's Rogue. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice artwork, nice. Like the entire thing, the cosplay, the lighting. So I guess photo shoot post-production, huh? Beautiful. And oh my gosh. Next one. Then we have here Princess Leia. Beautiful too. Beautiful. With the lighting, you know, the lighting perfectly done. Oh my gosh. Harley Quinn. Yeah. I don't want to spoil everything, right? So I have to say all those prints are beautifully done. And then we have the actual calendar. Right? So this one doesn't have a sticker. Let's see. Let's look at it. Oh my gosh. Also the quality here of the paper. Oh, you're too good for Disney, Anna. You're too good for Disney. Ah, and the sticker. I got the sticker. That's lovely. The Vampirella sticker from her artwork with the rose for her sis. Yeah, it's also. I know the background story of the rose, so. But it's awesome that I got the Vampirella sticker. Thanks. That's so much more. And oh yeah, the entire calendar. You know, again, Rogue, first one. I hope this video doesn't get taken down because I show two perfect bodies here in this video. Yeah, the quality of the paper is super awesome. It's the finish and everything. She knows exactly what she's doing. Oh my gosh. her drag costume, I mean, it's a character she thought of herself, so it's basically headcanon character. It's really awesome, and she has it and she's proud to show it. Like, oh yeah, Lois Lane with the cardboard. That's a lot of inside jokes with the cardboard, with the cockroaches. You know, you need to know the Jack show and where that came from. Yeah, Anna didn't know that people do not like Comic Sans, so everything is in Comic Sans. Ah, man, it's little detail. I mean, look at this love going into every single course here in this calendar. The love for detail and the art going into post-production of the photo shoots. I mean, she really transformed in every single cosplay she did. She really transformed in this shoots. I mean, that look at that. That's Anna and that's Alita. It's like, I mean, they should maybe do a Alita Battle Angel 2 and cast Anna as Alita. If Rosa Salazar wants too much money. Just cast Henry Cavill in a role or something, then she'll jump into it. Oh my gosh, and here it becomes clear. Look at her creation, her Vulcan science officer, and how they did put this wonderful phaser firing effect here. I mean, look at this. It's like the actual proper TNG uniform, right? It's like the proper TNG uniform. She's a Vulcan, and the phaser. It looks like from a scene in Star Trek. It's beautiful how she did it. And woohoo, Catwoman. Oh yeah. Yeah, okay, PewDiePie. I guess I'm a simp, yeah. But she deserves it. Holy moly. This cosplay is awesome. I'm really glad she went through with this cosplay calendar. It's an awesome piece of art. Like everything, like this body, she knows how to work with that as a canvas. Does those insanely convincing transformations. I mean, she's an artist, right? So it's worth every penny. This calendar is worth every penny. Really already looking forward to her next calendar, which will not be on Indiegogo. It will be on Etsy, as far as I understood her, because the taxes and everything, which are so insane. I mean, I had to pay 15 additional US dollars to have the calendar released from customs here in Portugal. And then, as I mentioned in the beginning, there were all those dents on the corners of the envelope. The calendar only survived the transport because Anna did put all those safeguards in place, like this bubble wrap envelope and those cardboard sheets. Well, I'm super happy it finally came. And stay tuned for her next calendar, I guess. It will be on Etsy. She will probably advertise it. She's a fantastic artist, a fantastic cosplayer. Totally check her channel out. Follow her on Instagram, Twitter. She also has a Facebook page. You can also check that one out. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please share and subscribe and leave me a comment down below. If you didn't like it, thanks for watching so far through. Please give me at least a thumbs down. Leave me a comment why you didn't like this video. And see you all next time. Bye.